A very good morning, student. Welcome to the online class. Today we are going to discuss about in this lesson of organ system and animals. We are going to discuss about human excretory system. I just remember to that previous class topic what we have seen the previous class, human digestive system, right? I hope you have to remember to that. Just today we are going to discuss about the human excretory system. If their digestion will be happen, automatically they need to eliminate some of the unwanted food also, right? So that here a next topic they are given as a human excretory system. Yes, without any delay we move on a topic. Okay, first thing, what are the topics are involved in that? What are the subtopics are involved in the topic that only we are going to discuss in this? First thing, in human excretory system they are given an introduction part. First introduction, what they are given an introduction na, what is the meaning of excretory? Excretory meaning enna? Excretion, X, that is the out. Okay, critery இருக்குல்லையா, creation அப்படினாலே secretion. அப்போ excretion அப்படினா to eliminate something out of our body, that is the excretory system. Here a system which mean an involvement of some of the organs are done the function of excretion, that is the human excretory system. Here human excretory system, what is the meaning for the human excretory system? Excretion of some of the waste material. Okay, that is only a human excretory system. And next topic in this subtopic is skin. Here why they are a skin, why they are given a skin, and not only that excretory system are done by their internal organ, in skin also they are done a excretion. What kind of excretion are done in the skin? Just they are excrete the unwanted waters in that form of sweating. Okay, so that a skin also done the excretion. And next thing, a subtopic is kidney. Here excretion nale major part is the major organ is the kidney only. Okay, so that they are given as a kidney. And next one, a structure of nephron. What is the next topic? Structure of a nephron. Why they said a structure of nephron next to the kidney? Because a nephron is the one of the parts in the kidney. Or a part da enna kidney la, they are only in this nephron only done the filtration. Filtration yaar pandran pathonaka in this nephron. Nephron only done the filtration process in the kidney. Okay, and next topic is a mechanism of urine formation. What is the next one? A mechanism of urine formation. How they are forming the urine with the help of a nephron in the kidney. Kidney like a nephron, how they are done the filtration and how they are eliminate the excess, that is the urine, okay, through the organs, that is the system, excretory system. That is only are covered this topic of human excretory system. I hope you have to understand the topics. Let me move on. First thing, introduction in the human excretory system. Just write an introduction in human excretory system. Yes, here let us discuss about the human excretory system. Human excretory nale to elimination of unwanted waste material in our body. In that form of they are given a metabolic waste. Here what they are given? Metabolic waste. First we want to know that what is metabolic waste. Metabolic அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். First thing, metabolic அப்படின்னா some of the chemical reactions. What they said metabolic? Some of the chemical reactions occur in our body. Okay va? Some of the chemical reactions are occur in our body within the cells. இதுக்குள்ள நடக்கும் பாடியில cells குள்ளேயே நடந்து just they are getting a energy from that. Okay, they are just get an energy from that. Here a metabolic activity or done in every living cell. Ella living cells na enna nadakum? They are a metabolic activity. They are products. It's all metabolic products are produced by the some of biochemical reactions. Ella metabolic products எது மூலமா கிடைக்கும்? Biochemical reactions. Here biochemical reactions, biochemical, which means here chemical reactions நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியாச்சா, involvement of some of the organic chemical materials to produce the some energy to that. Okay, some energy produce பண்ணும், and not only that energy, they are produce some unwanted toxic materials also. Toxic nale, that is the poisonous. So it is not utilized by our body, not utilized by our body. சரியாமா? So because of that, that is a toxic. அப்போ toxic என்ன பண்ணாது, body utilize பண்ணாது, they are eliminated through the excretory system. அப்போ இந்த toxic materialக்கு பேர் தான் என்ன கொடுக்குறாங்க, they are given as a urea. What they are given? Urea. Okay, for an example, in the urea, how they are eliminated? They are eliminated through the some of organs. In our human body, we are having some organs to eliminate the urea. A major organ to eliminate the urea is kidney. Okay, that is a major organ to eliminate the urea. And not only that, some of the metabolic wastes, the skin also, they are eliminate some of the unwanted waste material in that form of sweating. Right? So here a metabolic waste na enna paathachu, what is a chemical reaction, we seen that what is an urea. So here they are urea eliminated through the kidney, that only are called as a excretory system. Appo excretory system nale they are involvement of major organ is kidney. Let me discuss about the what parts are involved in the kidney. Let us say that. Just draw a diagram of a kidney. Here a kidney are involved in the two pairs of kidney, right side and left side of a kidney. This is the what ma? Kidney. Right? And next one, here each kidney, they are connected by the pair of ureters. They are connected by the what? Pair of ureters. So this is the what ma? A long tube is there, no? That is the what? Ureters. And here ureters are connected by the one bag like structure, that is the urinary bladder. And next one, urinary bladder or temporarily, what is the major function of urinary bladder? Just they are temporarily storing the urea, and then a stored urea are eliminated through the urethra. So this is the what? Urethra. So these are all the organs are involved in the excretion process, so that they are given a excretory system. System nale what we have said, collection of organs. Here a kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Here kidney, how their filtration is taken place na? With the help of an nephron. We will see the diagram of a nephron in a detailed way for our next class. And now with the help of a nephron, they are done a filtration. Each kidney, they are having a millions of nephron. Just they are carried through the blood vessel. They are having a two blood vessels, no? Just they are carried through the blood vessel, and their blood is transferred to the neuron. Here their filtration is taken place. Unwanted toxic material or get a filter to be here, and they enter into the filter achale, and then a filtered unwanted filter urea are enter into the ureters. சரியா, ureters வழியா travel பண்ணி போவாங்க. This traveled and temporarily they are stored in the urinary bladder. Okay, here this is what? Urinary bladder, and then they are ejected through the, finally they are ejected through the urethra. So this is the what? Organ system involved in the excretion. Let me say that another organs also involved, we say no, how they are done excretion. Let me discuss about that another organs of excretion. Yes, let us discuss about the organs of excretion. Another organs we say na, a first organs of excretion. First organ pathonaka, the major organ, the covering portion of a human body is skin. A skin is the what? A major organs of human body are covered with a full overall body, right? Here a skin is remove the small amount. They are not involved for a large amount of excretion. They are involved in the small amount of excretion of a toxic material in that form of water and then urea. And that urea nali their involvement of salts, no. How they are sweet is salty in nature. Okay, ma. So, sweat is the excretory product of a skin. Here, they are eliminating the a small amount of water and urea. They are naturally a salt in nature. We called as a sweat. So, this is the one of the organ in the excretory system. And next organ in excretory system is lungs. What is the next organ? Lungs. Here, how they are lungs. Just imagine this is the what? A structure of a lungs. Taken inside, they are having some branches to that. Just like this. At the end of the branchioli, they are having a number of blood. In that deoxygenated blood nale, there is the O2. Okay, and here with the help of a respiratory tract, alveoli are gain oxygen. Now they are done a exchange process in that form of absorption. Alveoli enna panno, just they are absorbing the CO2 and here oxygen are transferred to the capillary. Through the capillary, they carry the oxygenated blood to entire parts of a body. Again, here they are carrying now CO2, right? And now they carry the they get an oxygen. CO2 are transported through the respiratory tract and then they are ejected through the nose. Exhaling process is done. So this is what? Excretion of lungs. This is also a kind of excretion. So that's it for organs and other organs of excretion. I hope you have to understand to that. And next one.